Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to use get method to access values from a dictionary. We can use keys in a square bracket to retrieve the value we are interested in from a dictionary, which might cause one potential problem. If the key we ask for doesn't exist, we will get an error. So let's see, we have the dictionary over here, student, and we are going to access ID. So we are just gonna do print, which don't exist in our dictionary, and you're gonna do student, and then we are going to pass in the key as ID and run our code. So the result is a traceback showing a key error. So let's close this one. For dictionaries, we can use the get method to set a default value that will be returned if the requested key doesn't exist. The get method requires a key as a first argument, and as a second optional argument, we can pass the value to be returned if the key doesn't exist. So let's pass in some value and get the result returned and saving to our value. So this is student, and we're going to call get method on it, and the ID is our key, and if there is no value, we are going to return some message, no value sign, no IDs, because we're accessing ID, so it's better. So no ID value sign, so we are going to print the return string. So let's run our code again, and we get no ID value sign instead of that error we had previously. So this one is better. So back to our code. If the key ID exists in our dictionary, we will get the corresponding value. If it doesn't, we get the default value. So in our case, ID doesn't exist, and we get a message instead of an error. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.